How to change the language of your OnePlus Watch 2. And of course, this is going to be useful. Let's just say you got your watch and it's not in English. You want to be able to find where to go to change it to English, and you have no idea where to go. So I'm here to help you, and let's get started. To change the language of your OnePlus Watch 2, simply while viewing the clock face here, you will swipe down like this and you'll go to the settings icon. So no matter what language you are in, the icons will always be the same, so you have nothing to worry about. So tap on settings here and you'll see this here. Now following these icons on the left here, you're gonna go all the way down to the bottom, this one here with the green icon and the settings icon. Tap on that one time here and you're gonna see this right here. So you'll select the first option, which would be system settings. And when you're here now in the system settings section, you'll go down to the third one, all right? So you'll tap on the third one here, and this is where you can choose it as another language. So if you don't see English here at the top, you'll simply have to just go down the list and find it. When you find it, you'll select it, and it's going to change the main language for your watch itself, and now you'll have yourself back to English, okay? So hopefully this guide was helpful, and if it was, please do hit that like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.